Today, I've got something super cool to share with you all. The Sodi C50 MagSafe wireless car mount charger that supports 15 watts. Trust me, this wireless car charger is a game changer for all your road trips and daily commutes. Let me tell you why this is a must-have gadget for your car. First off, its unique design features a 50% longer steel hook clip, making sure it fits snugly onto most horizontal and vertical vents. No more worries about your phone slipping or the cradle detaching while you're driving. It's like having a secure grip for your phone all the time. Oh, but remember, it supports all type of air vents. Talking about the charging magic it brings to the table. This charger uses a robust magnetic module for a rock-solid grip on your phone. And guess what? It supports blazing fast 15 watts wireless charging. All you need to do is align the back of your phone with the magnetic charging spot. And voila, charging made effortless. And let me tell you about the magnets. They're super powerful, ensuring your phone stays firmly in place even on bumpy roads. Plus, it's tailor-made for the latest iPhone models from the 12 series all the way up to the latest ones. That's right, iPhone 13, 14, and 15 users, this one's for you. When it comes to build quality, the Sodi C50 doesn't disappoint. It's crafted from premium materials like aluminum alloy, ABS, and tempered glass, ensuring durability and a sleek look that complements your car's interior perfectly. Oh, and did I mention it comes with fast charging protection? Yep, your precious phone is in safe hands with this charger. So, to sum it up, if you want hassle-free charging on the go with a secure grip for your phone, the Sodi C50 MagSafe wireless car charger is the way to go. Say goodbye to tangled wires and hello to convenient, fast charging, wherever the road takes you. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please use the link shared in the description or the pinned comment to buy. If you want more contents like this, do share and give a thumbs up to this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.